good. After that, entitled mom blows up at me for enforcing safety rules on her kids. And after that, would I be the jerk if I take my son's presents from under the tree and return them? Now for every thumbs up this video gets, one Karen loses her credit card. I'll just use yours then. So please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on notifications for new stories from Reddit every single day. Karen hid my credit card from me and claimed it was for my own good. I, male 25, live with my close friend Josh, also male 25, and his girlfriend Anna, who's 22. It used to be just Josh and I until lockdown started back in March and Anna permanently moved in. I get along okay with Anna, but we're not super close. I guess that establishes the group dynamics. Yesterday, I couldn't find my credit card. Josh and I searched the entire apartment for 2 hours, but we couldn't find it. Then walks in Anna, after her evening walk, and goes, "What are y'all up to?" To which I ask her if she's seen my credit card. She straight up says, "Yep, she has it." I was like, "What the heck are you doing with my credit card?" To which she said that I shouldn't worry as she didn't intend to use my card. She only took it to help with my addiction. What addiction? She thinks I'm a shopaholic and that I buy way too much useless crap. She saw some movie the night before where the protagonist had this condition and shopped herself into a crazy debt. That movie reminded her of me. She said, and I quote, "You're not there yet, but you will be if someone doesn't intervene." I was angry at this point because, A, I do not have a shopping problem. Even if I did, I'm using my money that I worked hard for to buy things that I like. She's absolutely no one to try to poke her nose into my business. And B, her having my card meant that she came into my room, snooped through my stuff until she found the card, which is a gross violation of my privacy. So I asked her, rather loudly, to stay the heck away from my things and that I would call the cops on her if she tried pulling a stunt like this again. Josh was not aware of her stealing and he's siding with me, but Anna's trying to convince him that her intentions were pure and that I'm grossly overreacting and being a jerk to her. Am I the jerk? Well, who do you agree with? OP or Anna? Please let us know. Just give the credit card to me. I'll make sure nothing happens to it. Entitled mom blows up at me for enforcing safety rules on her kids. Okay, some backstory is necessary here. The place I work has a carousel, specifically one made back in the 1920s, that has a lot of strict rules for riding it to ensure safety. Only 2 of those rules really matter for this story. Rule 1 ring of the horses is off limits because they aren't 6 feet apart. And Rule 2, hold on to the horse while the carousel is moving. With that out of the way, let's begin. It was a pretty normal day at work for me, with a line of people waiting to ride, when I let this story's entitled mom and her 2 polite daughters onto the carousel. I gave my little spiel of the rules, then let them pass. Before I start the ride, I do a little walk around to make sure everyone is settled and see daughter 1 has chosen a horse that is off limits. So I walk up and politely remind her of the rule and ask if she would please move to a different horse. She apologizes and moves horses without a peep of complaint, so I start the ride. As I'm watching the ride turn, entitled mom's other daughter stops holding onto her horse. So, to be audible over the music and the sound of the machinery, I cut my hands around my mouth and call, "Keep your hands on your horse, please." She holds onto her horse again, but I see entitled mom lean over and whisper to her daughter. I didn't think anything of it at the time, but I'm pretty sure now she was telling her daughter she didn't have to hold on. I say that because when the carousel